Hey there campers, it's Barry here with Southern RV, and behind me we've got a brand new 2021 343 VIK Sporttrek. This is a touring edition. It's pretty cool. It's a rear living camper. Sally is really giving it to us today with the rain, so I don't know how much time we're going to get on the outside of the RV. If we get a window weather that's good for it, we'll check it out, but for now we're just going to hop up on the inside and check that out. So let's do it. Alright, so when we first hop up into this new model from Venture RV, the first thing we notice is that we're walking into the kitchen area. I really like that we've got solid surface countertops all around. We've got a decent sized fridge over there, as well as our microwave, a 3-burner stove top with a glass cover to give you some extra counter space, and a little oven down beneath. There's a decent sized stainless steel basin sink. And across from all that, we've got a freestanding table and 4 chairs. As we push into the living room, we notice that we've got this nice large entertainment center here. Now on the back side of that outside, what we didn't get to look at because of the rain that's coming down is that it does have a flip-up hatch for an outside kitchen and entertainment area, as well as some storage. Do notice that we've got a big flat screen TV. It's on a swivel mount, as well as the electric fireplace down low to help aid in putting out heat in cooler weather. We've got theater seating with recliners directly across from the TV. And this sofa here is a trifold, so that's going to fold out to create another bed for the unit. No lack of storage in the sense that we've got overhead cabinetry all the way around, as well as pantry space here in the kitchen. And that's adjustable. Notice that we've got the tracks. You could add more shelves or adjust the existing shelves to suit your needs. On the back wall of the kitchen, we have essentially a buffet space with overhead cabinetry and cabinetry down below as well. As we push into the hallway, we notice that our thermostat is right here when we come through the door, as well as light switches, awnings, and everything else that you need to control is all right here as soon as you walk through the door. The bathroom here on the left features some cabinetry up top, a foot flush toilet, as well as an okay sized shower. It has the wand attachment, make it easy to shower off, medicine cabinet, and a stainless steel small sink with some storage down below it. The bedroom of this unit is what really shines. It's right up front. It has this nice large window looking to the outside, as well as a bench seat for getting ready in the morning. There are closets on either side of it. And if you look up here, notice how those are kind of lit up blue. Check this out. It's kind of like mood lighting of the evening. So it's kind of a cool trick. They do turn off too as well, but that's just kind of a neat feature in here. Another thing I really like about this bedroom is that at the foot of the bed, they've given us yet another electric fireplace, as well as some more storage. In addition to the closets and the storage that's around this little seated area, we have overhead cabinetry above the bed, and then this closet back here, if I open it up, I'll show you, it could be used for another hanging closet, or it's actually plumbed, there we go, for a combo unit washer dryer. So that's kind of a cool trick that they're doing there. They're giving you the option to put in a combo unit as well. This is a 50 amp service camper. It does have 2 air conditioners, one that's here in the bedroom and one that's out in the main space. And there is storage up under the bed as well. If we lift that up, it's on a spring strut assist, making it easy to open up and get to. That's a pretty large space that's up under there. So you could store extra blankets, all sorts of other things. There's a secondary thermostat for the bedroom in here. Also, if we notice up top in the bedroom, they have given us connection points for yet another television, as well as a marker for where to mount that television. Guys, I wish we could show you more. I wish Sally wasn't coming down on us with all the rain, but it is what it is. Check us out online at southernrv.com. Follow us on social media, Facebook, YouTube, all of the above. Until next time, happy camping.